Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize the appearance of your character in Elden Ring. So to do this, first you will need to unlock this waypoint right here, Table of Lost Grace. You unlock it fairly quick after the launch of the game, so keep playing and you will know where you get here. Then simply travel right here. You should spawn where I was a second ago and go here. To the right you can find the mirror, so go close to it and click E to use the mirror, and here you can apply cosmetics and also change the appearance of your character. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.